Hi friends, today we will solve a problem Leetcode 165 to defuse the bomb. So what's the problem is stating that you have a bomb to defuse and your time is running out. Your informer will provide you with a circular array code of length of n and a key. To decrypt the code, you must replace every number. All the numbers are replaced simultaneously. If k greater than 0, replace the ith number with the sum of the next k numbers. If k less than 0, replace the ith number with the sum of the previous k numbers. If k equal to 0, replace the ith number with 0. As code is circular, the next element of code n minus 1 is code 0 and the previous element of code 0 is code n minus 1. Given the circular array code and an integer k, return the decrypted code to defuse the bomb. Okay, so it's asking to, we will get a circular array and a integer. Okay, means one array and one integer, and it is circular, means it is circular virtually, means 4 next element is 5, that's why it is circular. Okay, now they have given some examples that if code is 5714 k equal to 3, this is the answer. 12 10 16 13 means for 5 the sum of the next 3 as k equal to 3, next 3 element is 7 plus 1 8 plus 4 12. Okay, for 7 the next 3 element is 1 4 and 5 because it is a circular array. So 1 4 and 5 is 10. Then at 1 it is 4 5 and 7 16, and at 4 5 7 1 13. Okay, and for k equal to 0 we need to return all 0. When k equal to minus 2, then previous, means if it is 2 then previous means 3 9 and 4. So 2 means 3 plus 9 12. If it is 4 then 2 plus 3 5. If it is 9 2 plus 4 6. If it is 3 4 plus 9 is 13. Okay, so now this problem actually solved in sliding window. Okay, and the solution of the problem is lies in this example itself. Just see. For 5 7 1 4 means next 3 elements. For 7, see 1 4 and 5, we are omitting the 7. So here the first case we have 7 plus 1 plus 4. Okay, then here we will omit this 7 from here, means the previous result minus the element plus the 5 means the that 0 1 2 3 third element. So if I want to go to 5, how can I go? That I plus k. Okay, it is, if it is considered as I, then I plus k. I means it is 0 1 2 3, then again 0. So if I do I plus k, 0 1 2 3 and 4, okay, 4, and divided by code by count, so it will become 0, means this element. As it is a circular array, so we can go to that the last element by using I plus k by code by count, code dot count. Means, see, I will write the equation. result I will be equal to result I minus 1. Means, see here, if I want to calculate this value, I have the first three, 714. So this is the result I minus 1 minus code I, means this element 7, and they are added. So 7 plus 1 plus 4 minus 7, so 1 plus 4 plus, we need to go to that this two element I got, I need to go to the next element as well, that is the 5, that code I plus k divided by code dot count. This is because it is a circular array. See, if it is I equal to 1, I plus k, 1 plus k is 4 divided by code dot count 4, 0th element. Now again we come to 1. So here this part I have this 1 plus 4 plus 5, I will remove 1. So I have 4 plus 5. So from here I plus k, if I want to go, ith element is 0, 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5 by 4 is what? Modulo 5 modulo 4 is 1. That is the 7. So 7 came. Now for fourth element, I will remove it from this sum, 4 plus 5 plus 7. So I have 5 plus 7. So then this is the 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 modulo 4 is 2. So 0, 1, 2, 1 added. Okay. So that's why it will come. Now if k equal to 0, we will return 0th array. It is normal. Okay, because we will not take the sum of any of the elements next. Now k equal to minus 2, then we need to take the sum of the previous one. See, it is 2, previous is, as it is circular, 9 and 3. 4, 2 and 3. 9, 4 plus 2. 3, 9 plus 4. Now see, if k equal to minus 2, and if we reverse this array 3, 9, 4, 2 and make the k positive, then for 3 it will be 4 plus 9, for 9 it will be 2 plus 4, for 4 it will be 2 and next 3, and for 2 it will be 9 plus 3. Okay. And then we will reverse the answer as well. So here, if we reverse this array and make this k positive, then the problem will become similar to this one. Okay. So we will, by reversing this array and making this positive, and what the result we get, we will just reverse that. I think you got this, right? Now let me write down the solution. For Swift, I will create a result and an array I will create. First, repeating 0, count, code dot count. This is the syntax of Swift to create an array with some default values. Now, if my k is equal to 0, what I will do? I will just return the result. Okay, now if k is less than 0, then as I said, I will just reverse this and make the call, write the decrypt code dot reversed and absolute value of k I will take. Okay, now I will initiate the result 0 will be code. I will take from 1 to k dot reduce 0 comma plus, means from 1 to k, 1 to 3, I will take the sum element. Okay, so it will take till 714. From 1 I will take, and reduce means if it a higher order function, taking the next k element sum. Okay, now what I will do for I in 1 dot dot less than code dot count, I will write that equation that I have shown. Result I is equal to result I minus 1 minus that I will remove that element from this sum, code I, and plus code will be I plus k, then modulo code dot count. Okay, this is the one. Then I will return result and I will run it. Absolute value is equal to k. Oh, I need to reverse this. As well, the result also needs to be reversed. Spelling mistake. Accepted. I will submit this. Yeah, that is also accepted. So we have solved this problem. Now the time complexity and space complexity. See, we have just iterated the array at the order of n. Okay, just n means if it is we need to reverse here once, we will iterate over the array, and here once iterate the array. So we need to reverse 2n times, and we do no need to reverse n time. So time complexity is order of n. Space complexity, as we have taken an extra array, so it is also order of n. Okay, so that's it for today's session. And if you have gained some knowledge from this video, please give a like. And if you want to get this kind of videos in future, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.